Inflatable stand-up paddleboards, ISUPs, have transformed how beginners and casual paddlers access the sport, offering compact storage, easy transport, and increasingly sophisticated construction. For families, travelers, and apartment dwellers, the ability to inflate, portage, and deflate in minutes unlocks a versatile water sports lifestyle. In this comparison, we tested 5 popular models within list number 1. Rock Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboards with Premium. Rock's iSoup offers an extra-wide platform aimed at all skill-level users, a high 350 pounds weight limit, and a 3-year manufacturer warranty. With a claimed build that is 50% stronger than some competitors and a broad 120-inch length by 33-inch width footprint, Rock positions itself as a durable, family-friendly option that ships with premium accessories and USA-based support. The board weight listed at 13.61 kilograms, approximately 30 pounds, and a generous 120-inch long by 33-inch W footprint translate to a very stable platform, especially for beginners and heavier riders. Performance-wise, the Rock board prioritizes stability and load tolerance, making it suitable for yoga, cruising, and learners. The wide stance aids balance, while the included premium accessories elevate the overall value of the package. User experience benefits include robust service from a US-owned brand, a respectable warranty window, and the sense of reliability that comes with strong consumer reviews, 4.8 out of 5 across a large sample. However, the broad dimensions can be less convenient for compact storage and trailer-friendly haulage.
List number 2. Niffian Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard with Soup Accessories. Niffian's 10.6 by 33 by 6 iSoup targets a balance of portability and capacity, listing a 450 pounds maximum weight capacity and 19 pounds board weight. With a thorough accessory bundle, adjustable paddle, 3 detachable fins, pump, leash, waterproof bag, repair kit, backpack, and 11 D-rings for modular use, e.g., kayak seats or securing gear. This board is designed for family use and varied activities from cruising to light fishing. Performance-wise, Niffian emphasizes versatile use across water bodies and conditions, aided by anti-slip EVA deck for traction and comfort. The 126-inch length keeps it manageable while still offering decent tracking for an average rider. The long accessory list adds value and flexibility, particularly for travelers or multi-activity families. Potential trade-offs include its mid-range weight, 19 pounds, and the need for owners to manage multiple included components. The 20 psi max isn't explicitly stated as a target in marketing, but aligns with common iSoup practice. Users should verify recommended pressure for optimal stiffness on their model.
List number 3. Serene Life Stand-Up Inflatable Paddleboard with Premium SUP Accessories. Serene Life offers a 10.6 feet by 32-inch platform with a 350 pounds weight limit, a widely cited stability-oriented design, and a 6-inch thickness that contributes to rigidity. The kit includes a 3-piece aluminum paddle, safety leash, removable fin, repair kit, and carry backpack, packaged in a lightweight build that has been popular since its 2019 introduction. The board's 13.89 pounds weight and compact deck width position it as a practical option for casual paddlers seeking straightforward usability. Performance-wise, the Serene Life setup emphasizes ease of use, quick setup with a double-action hand pump, and reliable stability suitable for beginners and family outings. The non-slip EVA deck pad enhances foot traction during longer sessions, and the full kit minimizes the need for additional purchases. However, at a maximum 275 pounds weight recommendation, it's noticeably less capable of carrying larger riders or heavy gear compared to some larger boards. The 13 psi maximum pressure is conservative for this class, which can influence rigidity at higher speeds or choppier conditions.
List number 4. Inflatable Paddleboards Stand-Up Paddleboard Wide Stable with Premium SUP. The XYCPY option is the most budget-friendly among the group at $99.99, featuring a 124 inches by 31 inches deck, 6-inch thickness, and a 350 pounds weight rating. It includes a complete accessory bundle, adjustable paddle, pump with gauge, backpack, ankle leash, removable fin, and repair kit, and advertises a short 5-minute inflation time. The board uses a 6-inch drop stitch core with reinforced PVC and 5.9-inch DWF for durability, plus a 15 psi maximum pressure for a stiffer surface. Performance-wise, this model leans into practicality and portability for beginners and budget-conscious buyers. The deck pad is described as Diamond EVA with anti-slip traction, which improves stand-up confidence. The triple fin setup on FB Sport is not identical here, but XYCPY's single removable center fin supports straightforward tracking. The major trade-offs for this price point include potentially heavier wear over time and fewer brand-specific performance enhancements. Nonetheless, the package is highly compelling for first-time riders or as a family starter board.
List number 5. FB Sport 11-inch Premium Stand-Up Paddleboard. FB Sport presents an 11-foot board at a price point of $143.99 with a wide 33-inch deck and premium materials described as military grade. The triple fin configuration enhances tracking and stability, while the included coiled leash, pump, paddle, and carry bag round out a versatile package for families and learners alike. The board length and width optimize balance and ease of use for beginners and intermediate riders pursuing yoga or casual cruising. Performance-wise, the FB Sport model emphasizes maneuverability and tracking through its 3-fin arrangement, while maintaining a manageable size for transport. The 350 pounds maximum weight rating aligns with most other boards in this category, and the 15 psi maximum pressure supports a relatively stiff surface for a premium-feeling ride at a lower price. The key user experience benefit is the bundled premium paddle and carry bag, which improves value, while the main drawbacks may include edge case durability concerns typical of lower to mid-priced ISUPs and less brand-specific depth of warranty information.